Hey, hello, how are you? I think you're fine. I'm also fine. So this is Shami from intelixel. Today we're gonna learn string concatenation in Python. So let's start. So this is string concatenation. So if you want to understand how string concatenation works, we just go to the code editor PyCharm and open the code. So try to understand what is string concatenation. To concatenate means or combine or two strings you can use the plus operator. So this is very important, like a is a variable, assign a string hello into the a, b is a variable, assign a string world into the b, and you just try to concatenate both of the string using plus operator. So this is a c, another variable, you just call a and plus b, and these both string will be concatenated just using plus operator. So just call the print function and into the just call the variable c into the print function, and you just get the result at the same time. Just run the code and see what the result, hello world. But the problem is there, the both string connected very congested, hello world. It doesn't look so cool and organized. That's why we need to use like space. So to add a space between them, like another string quotation, or that means double quotation. So that means it's a space. So right now you can get the hello world in between hello and world. Between hello and world you can get the space at the same time. So this is string concatenation. So you can concatenate any kind of string by using plus operator, but you try to give some space using double quotation. That's why it looks more organized. So I think you understand what is the string concatenation and why it is important, because any kind of string you just try to concatenate using plus operator. So this is all about today. Next day we're gonna learn another things. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ta-da.